Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to draw with pen tool in Photoshop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So firstly, select the image where you want to draw with the help of pen tool. Then go to pen tool option and select pen tool, and here we need to set it on path. So here I want to draw the cap of this person by using the pen tool method. So what I can do, I can just zoom the image. So firstly just click here and just click here again and hold your mouse left click and just make the curve like this. And also you can just play with these two dots, this one and this one, to make the curve according to your selection. Like I can just hold Alt. Once you get this triangle, you can just hold your left click and just make the curve according to your selection, just like this. So similarly I'll just select it like this. So I just need to hold my left click and just make the curve according to this cap like this. So by following this method I'm going to select the whole cap. So let me do that now. So guys, now you can see I have selected the rough selection around this cap, and now I can just zoom it out, and now here I can just hit right click and click on make selection, hit OK. So we have successfully created the selection around this cap by using the pen tool. Now here I can do anything with this selection, such as I can just decrease the contrast of the cap, decrease the brightness, and here you can see. So yeah guys, that's how you can draw with pen tool in Photoshop, and by repeating this process over and over you will easily able to use the pen tool more smoothly. But yeah, that's it. This is it for this video. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.